Welcome to the Piston Hub, your home for the latest in next-gen automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into a bold move by Tesla that's making waves across the trucking and electric vehicle world. If you enjoyed this video, please do a small favor, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel, the Piston Hub. We're a brand new channel, and your support means the world to us. With every subscription, we get the motivation to bring you more exciting automotive content. So don't wait, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and join us on this thrilling journey through the world of cars. Thank you. Tesla has just hired over 1,000 new employees for its 2025 Tesla Semi program, and this signals something big. The Tesla Semi, originally unveiled back in 2017, is finally rolling out in full force. After years of development, testing, and limited production runs, Tesla is now going all in. Scaling up operations to meet global demand. Hiring over 1,000 new workers is just the beginning. Most of these new hires are based at Tesla's Giga, Nevada factory, where the Semi is being produced. But support roles are also expanding across Tesla's network, from software engineering to autonomous systems, supply chain, and battery innovation. This signals a major step toward mass-producing a fully electric Class 8 truck, and disrupting the trillion-dollar freight industry. The 2025 Tesla Semi is not just a truck, it's a statement. With a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, zero emissions, and futuristic tech like autopilot, it's built to be the king of electric logistics. And the massive hiring surge means Tesla's ready to deliver these trucks to major customers like PepsiCo, Walmart, and others across the US and beyond. The interest in the Tesla Semi isn't limited to the US. Markets in Canada, Australia, the UK, India, China, and Europe are watching closely. And with EV mandates growing stronger globally, Tesla's timing couldn't be better. Over 1,000 jobs mean more than just production. It's about transforming the way we move goods, reducing carbon emissions, and creating careers in clean tech. Tesla's move is a clear message: the future of heavy-duty trucking is electric, and it's already here. What do you think about the Tesla Semi revolution? Will it dominate the roads or face tough competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to the Piston Hub for more updates on the vehicles shaping tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.